In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your licenses in Salesforce. Now, whether you're an admin managing Salesforce at your organization, or just someone looking to understand your system better, knowing how to access and interpret your licensing information is crucial. We'll walk through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along seamlessly on your own Salesforce account. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Salesforce account. Head over to the home page, which serves as your starting point for accessing all Salesforce functionalities. Now, I understand the layout of Salesforce can sometimes feel overwhelming due to its many features, but don't worry, we'll navigate it together one step at a time. Next, to proceed, let's locate and click on the Quick Settings icon. This button is typically represented by a gear symbol, and you'll find it on your top navigation bar. Quick Settings offer you instant access to various options, enabling you to swiftly manage or set up features without diving deep into the home page. Once that's open, you'll need to select Open Advanced Setup. This option will direct you to a more detailed setup page where you'll find deeper system settings and configurations. Once in the Advanced Setup options, the next step is to click on Setup. You can spot the Setup option conveniently on this page, and it's the gateway to the administration of most functionalities within Salesforce. Accessing Setup opens several possibilities, from user management to data controls, and today we'll focus on our primary goal: licenses. After clicking on Setup in the search bar located on the left sidebar, you'll want to type in company information. This search will streamline your navigation and take you directly to where you need to be, saving you time and helping avoid any unnecessary hassle. We all appreciate getting straight to the point, especially when working with extensive software applications like Salesforce. Great! Now that you're viewing the company information section, you'll see a menu on the left side. Go ahead and click on Company Information. It's here that you'll be able to review valuable details about your Salesforce organization, including various licensing information that we'll explore. With the Company Information page open, focus your attention on the User Licenses section. Here you can see different types of user licenses your organization possesses along with their corresponding limits and usage. Understanding these helps ensure you're managing your users effectively, preventing any unexpected disruptions caused by surpassing license limits. Further down, you'll encounter the Feature Licenses section. Feature licenses grant users access to additional Salesforce functionalities that can be enabled for specific users or groups. Assessing these licenses lets you know which features are available in your organization, allowing you to optimize the tools your team can employ. And there you have it. We've navigated from the home page to drilling into crucial licensing details that ensure your team's Salesforce needs are met efficiently. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with these elements can truly elevate your capability in managing the platform. That wraps up today's tutorial on checking your licenses within Salesforce. Keep exploring, and as always, happy Salesforce managing.